Now let's learn how to update links and components on the Petique template. It's very simple, so in order to update the navbar links, let's just double click to open the navbar, and here you already have a component that is being used for menu links. You can just duplicate one of them and here select and update the text and the link here with whatever you want. So it's very simple. You can just replace the text and then just update here. And that's it about updating the navbar links. As you can see here, we have some drop downs. So in order to update the drop down, let's first make it visible so we can just see the links inside the drop down just to make it easier to edit. Again, it's very simple. We just need to select this element here, navbar drop down link, open the navigator, and as you can see here, the structure of a drop down is that we have a div with navbar drop down. Inside we have the text and the arrow, and here we have the actual drop down component that is named as a class as navbar drop down content. So you can just select this navbar drop down content and just click here on flex, and boom, that's it. You can see all the navbar content opens here, and here you can make all the edits that you want. Just don't forget to, after you make the edits, it's always a good practice to select again the navbar drop down content element and then just clicking on none again just to make it hidden again. As you can see here, we have a lot of buttons across the website. I created them as components just to make your life easier as well. So it's very simple. You can just select here and update the text, the link, and also you have this pause visibility. So basically, if it's hidden and you hover the button, nothing will happen except, of course, this movement here of the button. But if this is visible, you have this little pause that just appear here on hover. So very cool. Anyway, just a small thing and fun thing to add. And let's say you want to create a new button. It's very simple. You can just open here the components and just click here on elements button, and that's it. Of course, you also have this option to select the color of the button and also the size of the button that you would like. The same here for the customization. Just type here whatever you want. So just book now, and here you can select the link for this button. Also, as you might notice already here on the components, we have some blocks, right? So you can just use this. Let's say you want to create a new page or even a new section. We just created some pre-built blocks just to make your life easier. So let's just create a new section here inside the main wrapper. I'll just add a new section just to show how this works. I'll just add here a div. I'll call it padding global just to give some horizontal spacing. Then I'll just say container medium, and then I'll just add here the content block. Let's say this second one, and boom, that's it. Of course, we can also add some padding here on the section just so we have some space. And here, if you select the content block component, you have options to update here all the content, the headings, the button link, and also the image, right? So these content blocks are just something that we just built just to make your life easier if you're trying to, let's say, create a new page or even creating a new section.